Hi guys, and welcome back to Tarot Page Philippines. For this video, gawin natin ang weekly horoscope para po sa may mga Sun, Moon, and Rising na Leo. So, if you're new, subscribe, like, and share. Hindi niyo po alam kung ano yung Sun, Moon, and Rising nyo. Sa end po ng video, we have a link for this para mapanood nyo kasi importante siya. This is by the way for April 11 to 20. At ayun. And also, remember the readings are for guidance purposes, so use your free will wisely. And I'm inviting you to click din po yung join button sa baba para magkaroon kayong access as a member sa ating mga exclusive and extended readings plus additional perks. Ayan. And for private readings, that works and daily horoscopes po, pwede kayo mag-message sa page natin at may admin po na tutulong sa inyo. At doon sa mga gusto po mag-send ng donation, you can use the thanks button sa baba. Ayun, yung may heart. So, sa mga members, we have something different sa extended reading mo. But check natin later. Kamusta ka na ba, Leo? So, we have here the 8 of Wands, tsaka Unfinished Symphony. Well, cutting people out, it's actually part of your routine na. Kasi ang dami yung with the eight of wands, ang daming mga nangyayari, ang daming developments, and wala kang time para doon sa mga emehan ng iba. Wala ka ng time doon sa mga kuda ng iba, wala ka ng oras sa drama ng iba. Andun na, nakasiguro matawag din, hyper-focus ka na doon sa mga bagay na pinapakita ng universe, yung mga bagay na dinadala sa'yo, yung mga bagay na mga nangyayari. So, andun niya, you would love to focus on it para ayaw mo nang ma-interrupt yung mga developments sa life mo. You don't need additional drama. Alam mo yung parang, kumbaga sa isang libro, andoon na nagbukas ka ng bagong chapter and madami kang mga characters, events, na iniwan mo na sa last chapter. Kumbaga, hindi mo na nakikita na kailangan mo pang dalhin to in the future. Na hindi mo na kailangan to maging part ng bagong story mo. And that's not a problem. Kasi, everything change. Except change. May magbabago at magbabago. And andoon yung part na sumusunod ka lang sa flow ng universe na binibigay sa'yo, which is a good thing. Kasi yun naman talaga dapat kailangan mong ginagawa. But what's crossing you? So, meron tayo ditong Ten of Pentacles and Between Worlds. Well, transition sa buhay. Medyo mahirap nga talaga. Kasi, alam mo yun, parang pag nasanay tayo doon sa pattern na meron tayo, tapos babaguhin, of course, andoon na medyo mahirap siya. May tinatawag tayo learning curve. So, that's normal. That's okay. Just give yourself the chance and the time to make the most out of it. Andun lang din na siguro may mga part lang din na with the Ten of Pentacles, medyo nahihinayang ka doon sa mga nangyari or nasayang na mga connections or relationship. Pero parang andoon na you're trying to you're trying to tell yourself, you're trying to educate yourself na okay lang yon, it's part of growing. Kung bagay, yung mga halaman nga, yung mga mga naunang dahon niya, tinatanggal niya sineshed niya para mag-give way sa growth, saka sa mga bagong dahon. What more pa kaya sa buhay din natin, di ba? Leo. So, this is actually a sense of growth yung ginagawa sa'yo ng universe. Now, your desire card kasi, we have here is the Seven of Pentacles and Time for Anak. Well, totoo naman yung kasabihan na strike while the iron is hot. So, yan nga, daming nga mga developments, ang daming ganap, daming nangyayari. So, this is this is a time na gusto mo mag-focus doon. Parang andoon na, sige magpapahinga din naman ako. Para bibigyan ko din yung sarili ko ng chance na makarecover. Pero hindi mo masyadong ini-indulge yung sarili mo. Unlike before na kapag pahinga, grabe ka magpahinga din. Parang andoon na, siguro you're keeping, yung may part na, kumbaga sa work, bago ka na schedule mo, okay, by this time, ito yung may focus ko. After this, ito naman. But this time, itong oras na to, lights off ako, magpapahinga ako. Or this part of my time, I will focus it in spending quality time with the people that I love and who loves me. Ando na nagkakaroon ng major shifting na ginagawa. And this shifting is actually andun yung part na na talagang total adjustments ang ginagawa mo. And wag ka magpa-overwhelm. Tama yung ginagawa mo if hindi mo naman natapos today, there will be tomorrow. So wag mong i-overwork naman yung sarili mo. Being focused is good, hyper focus is good, but anything na sobra is masama pa rin. Tandaan mo yun, ha? Now, your foundation kasi, we have here is the full and deep knowing. I mean, dami mong tinry, intindihin ng mga ganap at mga tao, pero hindi mo, andun na nasaid ka na. Na para, I cannot understand it anymore. Hindi na kayang arukin na pag-iisip mo. In short, napagod. That's why, with these two cards sa foundation mo, you choose to walk away na rin. You choose to get out of that connection. You choose yourself. You chose yourself. Yun yung point na yun. You chose those people na you trust, people that you value. Andoon na parang, in a way din, pagod ka na magbigay ng second chances Napagod ka na nagbigay na ako ng chance. Wala. Parang, tama na yun. Enough na. I need to start anew. Sabi ng card of, yung sasabi mo sa card of the Fool, I need to start my life this time. I need to focus on yung mga kailangan kong gawin. Hindi ba mabiblame? Kasi in the past, we have here the Two of Pentacles, tsaka Truth Be Told. Paano hindi kita mabiblame? Kasi andoon na, oo, nagsabi nga ng totoo, pero ang problema naman, ang sinabing totoo, kalahati lang. Asan yung iba, di ba? Nagsabi nga ng totoo, late naman na. Alam mo yung point na yun na, iba sa inyo, you were protecting someone, pero ang totoo, hindi pala dapat pinoprotect kasi sila nang pala may kasalanan. Tapos malalaman mo lang sa bandang huli, parang na-tarnish na lang yung pangalan mo, nahatak na lang yung pangalan mo. Tapos yung tao, kasi totoo naman yung sinasabi nila, parang, all this time, pinagtatanggol kita, ganyan pala totoong nangyari. Na all this time, kung kulang na lang, makipagbakbakan ako para sa'yo. Tapos totoo pala lahat. Andun yung point na parang nag-snap na rin in your past. Kasi, yun, half the truth or delayed truth, still, kasinungalingan pa rin yun. Nagtagbawas na bagay. And you cannot tolerate it Kasi andun yung loyalty mo, kaya mo ibigay. Yung honesty mo, kaya mong itaya. Yung pangalan mo, kaya mong itaya yung pangalan mo para ilaban sa tao as long as they're honest. Yun yung hinihiling mo. Problema, yun nga yung mga tao, ganon. Tingnan natin anong ikaw in the near future, development mo. We have here the Queen of Pentacles and Milk and Honey. Well, what I'm seeing here kasi, some of you guys will be having plans to maybe expand yung sarili nyo in terms of gaining money. So, iba dito kasi may nakita ko na it's either nagpa-plan kayo to start maybe a small business, something that could help na mag-gain kayo ng additional finances. Now, meron din dito iba sa inyo, parang ando na magsa-start kayo mag-open ang sarili nyo to additional learnings, new forms of skills, na para nakikita nyo na, sige nga, try ko ngang i-open yung sarili ko dyan, baka sakaling may maganda siyang maidulot sa akin, baka may maganda siyang madala sa akin, at ma-improve ko yung sarili ko to a better individual, which will help in return naman sa finances mo. Kasi isa sa mga pinapalabas ng universe ito is yung financial stability na tina-target mo, which is good, wala akong masama dun. So guys, kung nakaka-resonate ka sa readings natin, invite kita i-click mo yung join button sa baba. para maging member. So, you could also gain access sa ating mga exclusive and extended readings and some additional perks. But for now, tuloy natin readings mo. This is your physical environment. We have here the Four of Wands, tsaka here and now. Okay, very good. Kasi andoon na some of you guys are revisiting. Parang binabalikan nyo, ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng family? Parang ando na, ano ba ibig sabihin? Is it yun yung magkakaroon ka ng anak? Yung ba may magulang ka? Or is it more deeper than that? Kasi andoon na nagre-review ka na sa paligid mo Sino ba talaga yung mga naging family ko dito? Sino ba talaga yung nagsistay? Who should stay? Who should go? Who is the weakest link? Yun yung lumalabas sa cards na to. And andun din kasi, na you're trying to live in the moment. Andoon na, actually, nag-enjoy ka nga na you're taking care of the ones who love you and you're also taking care of yourself, which is a very good thing. Kasi, at the end of the day, yun naman talaga dapat ginagawa mo. And, andoon na nag-filter ka na kung sino yung kailan mo i-boost yung energy mo, yung time mo. And that's a good thing to do. Kasi that's actually a wise thing. Because your emotional environment, meron tayo dito, si Wheel of Fortune, tsaka si Flexibility. Ando na there's a major adjustment that's happening as well when it comes to your emotions. Andoon na yung mga dating tao na you trust, after na, lumabas yung totoong kulay nila, you opted na parang, bye! You opted na to cut the emotional connection with them. And andoon yung with the Wheel of Fortune, you are redirecting yung emotions mo towards other people, other events that are very promising. Na mas maganda yung nakahatid, meron at positive vibes na dinadala siguro, or andoon na meron silang binibigay na mas magandang magkakaabalahan, or that will be yung tinatawag natin may ROI, may return of investment, na hindi ka lang puro give, but there will also be receiving part. Kasi sa Desire card mo, the Star, tapos Regeneration. Yung nakakatawa na-made up mo na sa mind mo kung ano yung gusto mo. Ang dami sa inyo, you have already painted, kumbaga sa business proposal, meron ka ng proposal sa universe. Ito yung gusto ko. Ito yung target ko. This is what I want for my life. Kailangan ko ng ganitong tao. Kailangan ko ng ganitong lugar, ganitong property, blah, 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 blah. Naka-paint na siya. Yung tipong siguro, kung may propose, kung kaya siyang gawin as a proposal, pag binasa ko yung proposal na yon, maintindihan ko yung gusto mo. Gets ko kung ano yung desire mo. Because ando na, hindi pa siya fully polished, pero you are making it as detailed as possible, which is a very good thing. And kasi that's how the universe works nag-work siya with details. And di ba minsan hindi effective yung mag-manifest ako ng bahay. Dahil may bahay talaga ng posporo. Baka bigyan ka sa damakmak na bahay ng posporo ng universe. So, ando na na-develop mo yung detailed manifestation, which is a very good thing. Kasi yun yung hinihintay sa'yo ng universe. Because in the possible future sa'yo, meron tayong Ten of Swords, tsaka New Life. Literal, ang dami mong sisigpayin. There will be cutting off, there will be removals. Actually, meron pang iba, confrontations gagawin mo with some people. Andoon na walang bearing na yung longevity ng connection nyo. Kasi the mere fact na nagkaroon ng pagsisinungaling, na-shockwed ka na sa part na yun, na-umay ka na. Pero ano ba yung sino ba itong mga to? Natatanggalin mo. And when can we expect this? I-check natin siya sa extended reading mo. Click mo lang yung join button sa baba para ma-access mo yung mga videos na to. Tandaan, the readings were for guidance purposes. Use your free will wisely. And if you're new, subscribe, like, and share. So maraming salamat. God bless, Namaste, Hare Krishna, and blessed be. And hope to see you in our extended reading. From Dominican Hill and Baguio City, you have a great day. I'll see you soon.